Good morning, children. You know that we had already started with the poem These Simple Things in lesson number 8, written by Ruskin Bond. It talks about the simple things in life which gives us happiness, which gives us pleasure. Let us read the second part. Before I start with the second part of the poem, I read out the first part which we have already done. The simplest things in life are best: a patch of green, a small bird's nest, a drink of water fresh and cold, the taste of bread, a song of old. These are the simple things that matter most. So he says, as a child, he loves simple things, not expensive big things in life. Simple things. When you are a child, you love these things. Maybe you enjoy a game of cricket, or you may enjoy a cartoon movie, or you may enjoy drawing a picture, or you may enjoy dancing with a song. Simple things, or maybe a small game which you enjoy, or maybe a party, or not only party, a dinner together with all your family members. These simple things we love the most. So he talks about the simple things like a patch of green grass, a small field or a garden. He talks about the bird's nest. He enjoys fresh and cold water. He also enjoys bread, not great food in the big restaurants or hotels. No, simple food he enjoys. He enjoys a song of olden times. So he says that these are the things that gives enough pleasure, enough happiness. Let us now continue with the second part of the poem. Read along with me. The laughter of a child, a favorite book, flowers growing wild, a cricket singing in a shady nook, a ball that bounces high, a summer shower, a rainbow in the sky, the touch of a loving hand, and time to rest. These simple things in life are best. Once more, so that you are thorough with the poem, you can pronounce all the words correctly. The laughter of a child, a favorite book, flowers growing wild, cricket singing in a shady nook, a ball that bounces high, a summer shower, a rainbow in the sky, the touch of a loving hand, and time to rest. These simple things in life are best. So again you can see that he is talking about the very simple things, common things which may happen almost every time. So he loves that. He says the laughter of a child. You must have enjoyed your photographs of your childhood which you may be enjoying, that when you were a baby, how you smiled and laughed. Maybe some family members in your home who, when they smile, baby smile, you love it, you enjoy it. Really, it is priceless. Okay. A favorite book, as I had discussed before, that we all enjoy some books to read. A favorite book, maybe a picture book, or maybe any story book. Flowers growing wild means the flowers which are growing around us. As you know that Ruskin Bond is, he spent all his life around the nature, and he enjoyed each and every part of the nature. So he says that these flowers which are growing wild, nobody has planted them. These also gives us lot of happiness. Okay. A cricket singing in a nook. Now cricket is an insect, you all know that, it's a game, but here we are talking about the cricket, which is an insect which makes some sound. You must have heard the sound of cricket, especially at night, but you may not see them because they live in a shady area. Nook means corner, in a shady corner of your house or maybe your building. So he makes that insect makes the sound. A ball that bounces high. You must have played this game, bouncing the ball. I have seen you people enjoy when you carry a ball, you keep on bouncing, and that gives a lot of pleasure. So small things gives us pleasure. A summer shower, not the shower not the rain in the monsoon, it is common, but you know, in summer if you have a shower, means rainfall, that gives you relief from the heat, extreme heat, so it brings pleasure to people. It is very pleasant. Okay, a rainbow in the sky. I know children, you enjoy when there is rainbow in the sky. You go out, you are excited, you want to see the rainbow. So that also gives us a lot of happiness. The touch of a loving hand, your family members or somebody, your friend, or maybe your siblings, when they put the hand on your head or maybe on your shoulder with love, that gives you pleasure. And time to rest. So we also enjoy having a nap when we are tired, we sleep. That also some of you must be enjoying long hours of sleep nowadays at home. So that also gives and these simple things in life are best. So we talk, let's see how small things these. Sometimes sleeping or looking at watching the rainbow, or maybe flowers growing in the wild, or some sound of insects. It can be anything. Like, you need not have to love these things. There may be some other things like butterfly means moving in the around you, or in the garden, or maybe in the field, or maybe a small plant which has grown in your garden, which gives you pleasure. So these are the simple things he talks that gives pleasure. Children, you can take out a diary and note down what are the simple things that gives you pleasure, what are the things you like to do or you enjoy doing when you are free. So this is all about the poem. Thank you, children.